So my next favorite hack is Google Drive. And why I love this is because it links with your phone, and you can have Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, and you just create them and it automatically stores, and then you've just got them in here, and you can just, you've just got stacks and stacks and stacks of stuff that you can then, just quickly create. You can share them with your team. You can share them with your VAs. When they're updating them, it updates in real time. It's just a real powerful tool. I mean, this is an amazing feature that Google have done. So if you're not already on Google Drive, get on Google Drive. Again, it's free pretty much unless you're storing loads of hard data. I use Dropbox for that, which I'll cover off in the next video. But it's really, really, really good for spreadsheets and documents. And if you get the apps on your phone, it means you can be doing stuff on the fly. So, again, I'm all about creating time and all about trying to get you away from being stuck behind a laptop. Get onto your mobile. At the end of the day, we want to create this passive lifestyle. As we scale this business, we don't want to be stuck behind a laptop. We want to be able to do everything off the phone. I could run the business off there. I do it pretty much all day, every day, is run the business off my phone. I'm always out and about doing stuff, or I'm with the kids or with the family, but the business is still thriving. The business is still running because I've got everything on my phone and I'm just, interacting and doing what's required. So get Google Drive, get it installed, start using it, get yourself familiar with Google Sheets, Google Docs specifically, and just start using them over Excel docs, over Word docs. Move into the Google platform. You'll not regret it, I promise you.